One of the keys to getting more exposure to your gigs is by optimizing them. The more specific you can make your gigs, the better. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your profile, title, and tags. You can also check your competitors' gigs to get ideas. Now, as for your cover photo, the picture that's displayed on your gig, you got to look at it as a thumbnail that's used on YouTube videos. I'm sure if you've ever been on YouTube, you've seen thumbnails on there that just makes you want to click. So that's how powerful cover photos are for your gigs. They're just as powerful as a YouTube thumbnail. It'll have a major influence on whether or not people will click on your gig. Your cover photo could showcase your expertise. You could also, again, take a look at the top sellers' cover photos so you can get ideas. Now, one thing you want to consider, instead of just including a cover photo, is to add a video. Gigs with videos actually rank better than gigs without videos. And adding a video presentation will also persuade people better than a photo. And don't worry, you don't have to be in the video, or you don't even have to make the video. You can just hire someone on Fiverr to speak on your behalf or to create a whiteboard video for you.
Is it so hard to let you go?